where's Dave? Dave won't want to do it today, cause Dave's chicken. Fuck, chicken. Anyway, here's what's going on today in North Valley Farms, you know. Got some bars here, Dave. Very hot bars. Stick them in machine, innit, yeah? Put them in machine, got a nice fishy tail. So we got them in there like that, and red hot, gonna smash them. Anyway, where's Dave? Is he in there? Where's Dave? Dave? Why don't you use your toilet, Dave? Pull it around there a bit like that, you know? So we're gonna put it back in for it, you can get a bit like that. Put it around there like that. Therefore, Eros ends like this. Anyway, show you something else we got. 12 mil round. Fish tail on it, kind of puts out. Bit of a... And then did it like that. You know, put some random movement in it. Some guy wants about 9-10 bars like that. And we got something else over here. I'll show you this. Nice pretty panels, isn't it? Oh, we got it broad bar, round bar. Gonna roll it around. Round it like that. We're wavy. And these bars here like this. Pull them round. Give them a bit of life. Cause I like a lot of wife. Life in the wife. In fact, get humble. She's my wife now. So we cut these up. We'll put them in here. Chop it down to size. And I'm gonna weld it on there. Like that. Fucking hell, yeah. Anyway, so we're doing that, and we got a bit of leaf work going on here. Put a bit of life in there. Weld it on here like this. They're making my eyes bleed, innit, Dave? Come on, let's go downstairs. Shit them up a bit. Come on! Hello, Dave! Is it Dave?
It is.
Are you Dave? Can I use your toilet, Dave?
Go for it.
Where's the toilet?
Over there.
Okay. Who are you? You're my wife. What are you eating? Are you eating? What are you doing? Hey, you're all eating. Horrible. Hey, Ricky. I know you. Hey, Ricky. How are you, Ricky? Bob Swinton. Sit there.